Can you please tell me briefly about yourself?
Sir, my name is Sarika Jaiswal. I've done my graduation in BSc from Bandodkar College. After that, I worked as an executive in IDBI Bank for a year. My main role was selling insurance and dealing with customer and solving their queries. Also, along with that, I used to do transactions like NEFT, RTGS. After that, I planned for MBA, and then I did my MBA from MET Institute of Management, which is in Bandra in Mumbai. So I've just completed my MBA.
MBA. What is the percentage of marks you scored in your MBA finance?
Sir,
Because finance is a new subject for you. How did you do it?
Sir, I scored well. I can tell you the CGPA because we have CGPA pattern. So out of 10, I have scored around 8.2 CGPA.
Oh, good. Excellent. Now,
Thank
can
you,
you
sir.
tell me what is the job role of a credit officer in a bank?
Sir, it is providing loans to the people, majorly like home loan or personal loan or loan for infrastructure and priority sector lending.
What have you prepared for this interview?
Sir, I couldn't get much time, but I learned about priority sector lending today whenever I felt okay. And after that, I was also looking for some basic banking questions like what is overdraft, what is the minimum limit for NEFT RTGS. I was just brushing up that.
Yeah. Can you please tell me what do you understand by 4 C's? 4 C's in selection of a borrower.
Character, and I forgot, sir. I only remember character.
Conduct, character, capacity, capital, and collateral, something like that.
Capacity, collateral, character, and
first is character, second capacity,
yes,
then collateral,
yes.
Then 1 minute. I was having it here. I know I have forgotten. 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
5 C's of there. In fact, there are 5 C's of capital. 5 C's in banking.
Sir, it is character, capacity, capital, collateral, and condition.
And conditions.
Conditions.
Yeah. A to forget ho gaya. Good. So that's what you should remember. Good. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is your father?
Sir, my father owns a transportation business.
Good. What is your mother?
My mother is a homemaker, and I have one brother and one sister. My sister is also working in P.N.B. as a treasury manager, and my brother is working in MSTC.
What is MSTC? Maharashtra State Transport?
No. MSTC is a metal scrap company which sells the scrap of metal or machinery through online e-auctions.
Good. Tell me what is balance sheet, what we can see from balance sheet, what we cannot see in a balance sheet.
In balance sheet, we can assess the asset and liabilities of the company, but we cannot see the profit.
We cannot see the
Profit.
why?
Profit is seen in profit and loss statement.
Achha, but no. In the balance sheets, they do mention about it. No? बैंक का बैलेंस शीट में देखा आपने पंजाब नेशनल बैंक का बैलेंस शीट?
No, sir, I have not seen Punjab National Bank, but I have seen other balance sheet.
1 minute. Punjab National, because that is what we want. Balance sheet latest. Punjab National Bank balance sheet. But did you go through the figures of Punjab National Bank as on 30th June 2023?
No, sir.
You are not studied.
No.
Why?
Sir, actually, I didn't expect the interview to come too soon, and suddenly, yesterday only I got sick. So I was very worried from today only.
Punjab National Bank business figures as on 30th June 2023. I don't know whether I posted a video on this, but that this is very much important for you.
Yes, sir.
Quarter one of 2023. I think they would have given in their balance sheet, in their website itself.
Yes, sir. I'll check side by side on the phone.
See, financial results quarter one FY24, 26th July. Then I think I should tell about this. I'll post a video on this. Okay, I'll close this. I will not ask about this. I'll go to other aspects of credit officer role. Please tell me, Punjab National Bank gives which types of loans?
Sir, it gives home loan, vehicle loan, personal loan, and MSME loan as well, gold loan.
Very good. Can you tell me the definition of MSME?
MSME stands for micro, small, and medium enterprises.
Correct.
And actually, it is a company. Yes, it is a company which it is just like a normal company, but the asset turnover ratio, annual turnover ratio, is more than 200 crores. So it is classified as MSME.
No. Your answer is wrong. MSME definition means you should tell what is micro, what is small, what is medium. Micro means
Yes.
investment in plant and machinery less than 1 crore.
Is 1 crore. For
Turnover,
small, it is 5.
Turnover less than 5 crore. Small investment plant and machinery less than 10 crore. And
Yes.
turnover less than 50 crore. And
Yes,
medium
sir.
means investment plant and machinery is less than 50 crore, turnover less than 250 crore. These things you must know.
Okay, sir.
थोड़ा you have to know about it. थोड़ा MSME बोल के सर्च करके फाइंड आउट कर लीजिए और हमारा मटेरियल का अंदर में होगा तो वो भी देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Actually, I read about this, but I didn't know how to deliver it well. Thank you for explaining.
Yeah. Now, please tell me what is SHG? What is the connection between SHG and banks?
SHG is self-help group, which is usually formed in rural areas, formed by women, and it is usually for the purpose of borrowing and lending money. Since many rural areas don't have banks, so with the help of SHG, people can lend and borrow money to each other, and it is just like some microfinance institution.
What is PM Swanidhi? Are you seeing the screen? Which screen is visible for you?
So your screen.
My P.N.B screen is visible for you? No? Yes?
Yes.
Oh no, you should not see it.
But I was not saying actually. I was just remembering saying.
I was just making fun of you. Don't worry. PM Swanidhi means what?
Sir, I don't know about this scheme.
PM Swanidhi is a scheme for payment vendors. And 10,000 rupees loan given to them for repayment in 1 year. On repayment fully, now they are being given 20,000 rupees. And in that, your bank, Punjab National Bank, has sanctioned 3,83,000 people. Amount disbursed 35,104. Sorry, 3,51,540 crore.
Okay.
So what is Mudra loans? I'm not asking the figures. I'm asking what is Mudra loan?
Mudra scheme is actually for
Acha.
people. It is a loan which is given for non-agricultural activities, and there are three types: Shishu, Kishore, and Tarun. For Shishu, it is only the loan amount is only up to 10,000. For Kishore, it is 10,000 to 50,000. And for Tarun, sorry, wait, sir, said
You
I
are,
think
you
I
are,
said the wrong
you are
figure.
confused. You are confused
Yeah.
yourself. Yeah.
Shishu is zero from up to 50,000, and Kishore is up to 50,000 to 5 lakh, and Tarun is from 5 lakh to 10 lakh.
Good answer. And you realized immediately. I stopped it, but then I thought I should show you this. You see, some important points are given about stand up India में कितना दिया है, MSME में कितना दिया है, like that everything. इसको apart from my video, detailed करके आपने study करना है.
Okay,
About
sir.
Punjab National Bank. Okay.
Hmm.
Now, you said you prepared for your priority sector and all. I don't want very many details. Tell me the 8 sectors in the priority sector.
First is agriculture, education, social infrastructure, education, agriculture, social infrastructure, renewable energy. I said 4. Wait. Agriculture.
Exports,
Export credit, and 3 more. One is
housing,
others and 2 more.
housing loan.
Yes, housing.
Housing
And
loan,
one more is
self-help group,
yes,
and small loans. Okay.
Yes.
Good. Very good. I am happy you are
Thank you.
remembering it. Telling me in spite of your fever.
Thank you, sir.
Did you take medicines?
Yes, sir. I took medicine. If I don't get well, I'll go to doctor tomorrow.
Yes. Good. That's good. Because your interview is on which date? 14th.
Sir, it is on 18th.
18th. You have time. You will get up before that and you will be able to do it. Very good. Now, next question is, बैलेंस शीट का बारे में आपने बात कर दिया. बैलेंस शीट में बैलेंस शीट तो बोला है but then now tell me what are the items that appear under liabilities side of a bank balance sheet?
In the
bank balance sheet, any bank balance sheet.
Liabilities is divided into current liability and a non-current liability. Current liabilities are liabilities which can be converted easily into cash within 1 year, and non-current liabilities are those liabilities which take more than a year to get converted into cash. Under current liabilities, there is trade payables and cash and bank balance and short-term loans also. In non-current liabilities, there are long-term loans involved.
Good. Now, do you know what is the present repo rate?
Repo rate is, I think, around 6.25.
6.5.
6.5, okay. Sorry.
अच्छा, before going for the interview, rbi.org.in में जाके जो कुछ rates है उसको देख के जाना है.
Okay, sir.
And you are a girl from Mumbai.
Yes.
Please tell me what is BSC Sensex?
It is an index it is an index for share market, and it has around, I think, 20 companies listed, I think.
30
leading
company shares prices.
30
Average is
big
taken.
companies.
The price is now its index is over 65,000 or so. Every day you must read Economic Times, update yourself till the date of interview.
Okay, sir.
Very strict. You must read it. update every day what is happening. Today also, I think, otherwise you do one thing, you join. Are you having Telegram with you?
Yes, sir, I have.
Telegram, you go newspapers.pdf,
Okay.
or also IE. Simply search IE, Indian Express, IE. You will get every day's paper. I want you to read one financial newspaper, either Financial Express or Economic Times or Business Standard.
Okay, sir, I'll do that.
Very good. Now, why should we select you? What are the strengths in Sarika? Sarika
Sir,
means I remember my Kamal Hassan's wife.
yes, yes. Actually, my father liked that actress, so he kept my name.
Ayyo. Excellent. Yeah, she was a nice girl. Yeah. But yeah,
Yeah.
she was
Sir,
she was his second wife, na?
I don't remember that, but I know that actress name.
Yeah. Now tell me,
Yeah,
why
sir.
what are the strengths in you?
Sir, as I've already worked in bank for a year in IDBI Bank, which is also a PSU bank, I'm very well versed with the banking, how the bank works, and I also can easily talk and converse well with the customers. In my post graduation, I learned about the financial statements and its uses for many project purpose. Also, I did financial modeling, and in the CMA report also I've went through about it on the YouTube, and I found that some of the sheets are very similar to financial modeling. So I would think I will be able to do well.
Good. But then you said IDBI is a PSU bank. Now it is a private sector.
Yes, sir. Yes, now it is private, but it still functions like that only.
You are telling the secret outside.
I will not tell it there.
Yeah, majority 99% is with the government still today. Yeah, fine. Now, Sarika, what do you understand by term loan?
Term loans are loans which is usually paid for, which are a longer duration loan above 3 years.
What are the conditions? What are the features of a term loan account?
Term loan accounts are accounts which are usually, I think I can categorize it like infrastructure or for hospitality purpose or for hospitals, like which are also otherwise also used for machinery buying, asset buying, and the payment period of the loan is usually more than 3 years.
And only thing is, you said everything correctly. You should also say it should be repaid every month. It should be
Okay.
repaid every month, that one. And then that is the point. And now tell me, what is overdraft?
What is?
Overdraft.
Overdraft is a facility which is provided to the current account holders. So it is just like a small loan facility only. So there is a certain limit which is pre-decided by the bank. And once you withdraw, suppose if the limit is of around 50,000, so you can take out cash up to 50,000, and the interest will only be charged on the amount that you have used.
As a bank employee, your answer should have been slightly better. An overdraft is one where a credit limit is granted, and up to that limit, the borrower can take the money, and when he repays also, he can again redraw from that during the sanctioned period, say 6 months, 1 year, like that. That is the speciality of an overdraft and the cash credit accounts and all, where you can remit, take, not like term loan, where you have to take in one and then repay in installments. The money paid once cannot be taken back from you. Supposing you avail housing loan, and housing loan you are repaying, you can't ask the bank to give back the money to you. Whereas in overdraft, if a limit is granted, you can remit and take back the money within that limit again and again. You must be aware of this. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Very good. And The same thing, the security can be say fixed deposit or say property, etc. But the same thing if the security given is goods and the stock is available in the shop of the borrower, it is known as open cash credit. The same thing if the stocks are lying in the custody of the bank, it is known as key cash credit. You must have heard about it. For credit officers post, you must be familiar with these terms.
Okay, sir, I'll frame it again.
Overdraft, term loan, cash credit, open cash credit, then key cash credit, letter of credit, packing credit, बैंक गारंटी, ये सब आपको डेफिनेशन पता होना जरूरी है.
Okay, sir.
What is your approach to understand customer needs? This is, of course, a high level question, scale 3, scale 4 question. This much is not expected from you. I will not force it on you. Let me
Okay,
ask
I'll try
some.
to answer.
Please try.
As soon
Yeah.
as a customer approaches, we should greet him and ask him for what purpose he wants the loan, and try to talk about the business, what are his business and what are his views on expansion, how is his business working, and also try to know about the competitors, and ask about the financial statements from him and go through it. And if we find that these statements are accurate, and if we find that if he fits in the 5C criteria, which is very essential for the loan purpose, we need to also visit the site. If it is for business purpose, then we should visit his office. If it is for other purpose also, we should visit and ask the neighbors also how is the behavior, how is his business working, and try to get a gist out of it.
What is working capital cycle? Superb question.
Working capital cycle is the it is the difference between the current asset and the current liability.
No.
So
No,
right
no,
from
no.
the
Hello, no, no, no. What did I ask? I
sir,
did not.
I'll answer it again. Please give me a chance.
Working capital cycle.
Okay, sir, I'll answer it.
Hmm.
Right from the manufacturing process, that is procuring of the raw material, till the cash is derived from the inventory after it is sold, this whole process is the working capital cycle.
Super.
Yes.
Good. Excellent. So a
Thank you,
longer
sir.
working capital cycle is beneficial, or a shorter working capital cycle is beneficial for the companies?
Sir, it also depends on the industry. For infrastructure or any kind of projects which are going for around for 10 years or 8 years, the working capital cycle will be huge. But for small companies, for retail kind of or service kind of companies, the cycle is smaller. So it all depends on the industry to industry. But having a small working cycle, I think, would be better.
Yeah, that is the thing. 1 minute. I'm just posting it. So many requests have come today for P.N.B group. Oh, all these people are joining now only. Yeah. Did you join the group? No.
Yes, sir, I joined the group.
Have I approved it? No.
Yes, you have approved it.
Approved it. Very good. Very good. I've approved for these guys also. Now, I think I have given a list of questions to you. Please prepare on those things, Pakka. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, what is a bank guarantee?
Bank
Hello.
guarantee, sir. I don't know it properly. I cannot explain it properly.
प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए. बैंक गारंटी, लेटर ऑफ क्रेडिट, ये सबको प्रिपेयर करना है. Are you aware
Okay,
what
sir.
is meant by packing credit? You don't know.
Banking credit.
Packing credit. Packing credit for exports.
Okay, packing credit. Sir, I have read about it a long time ago for
पढ़
export and import purpose.
पढ़ लीजिए. Then I think I
Hmm.
have given a list of questions to you. Again, let me give it in your WhatsApp group. Yeah, 1 minute. I'm see this one WhatsApp doesn't cooperate properly sometimes. I have given you a lot of questions now into your folder. Maybe I have given them earlier also. Please go through them and prepare for all that way, Pakka, so that next interview, if you want, you normally I don't take for others, but P.N.B people I should do because I have not been doing anything for you people. So please tell me
Yes.
which date you want to take next interview. 14th Thursday.
Sir, 14 is okay.
No, please check up and tell me any exam coming before, after, on that day. You know what happened? One girl came to me and said, "Sir, 10th Aurangabad RRB exam, 12th Federal Bank interview, 14th Bombay this exam, 15th the New Delhi this interview." Like that, 7 throughout the days they have got one or the other problems for the exams. So now, are you clear about 14th?
Yes, sir.
Are you comfortable about coming in the, say, evening 6:30?
Yes, sir.
P-
Any time in evening is okay for me.
6:30 p.m. Please, 1 minute. I will switch off the
Okay, sir. 6:30 and on
1 minute.
14th,
1
6:30.
minute. 1 minute. I'll close.